Thought I'd do a quick little video for those that are interested in these key drop-off points. So this is the reception that's going to all be closed up. This is going to be the drop-off point. So very clearly signed, no envelopes. It's quite sturdy. So drop the keys. Go ahead and drop the keys in. You can hear it falling down all the channels. Excuse the building's a bit of a building site at the minute because we're doing quite a bit of work. So it's really solid bit of kit. It's certainly not going to be fishing anything out of here, as you can see. So yeah, for those that are interested, I thought I'd do a quick little video on it. This is how they come. So it's designed to go through a standard brick cavity wall. And yeah, we got ours from Butts Abortory. So any questions, guys, just let me know.